We are at Independence Plaza in the city of Belmopan, and up in front here, after all these long steps, is where all the government officials, here we have ministers and the prime minister himself, they meet and, well, they discuss things, right? It's the equivalent to the US's House of Congress, or Congress, whatever it's called, or Canada's Parliament. But yeah, these are where they all meet. I believe it's once or twice weekly, and they discuss social issues, economic issues, different things to try and make Belize better. At the moment, as you can see, they're doing some construction work back there, so that means the house is not in session today. No cars with red plates. If you find a car with a red license plate in Belize, it's a government minister. So there are absolutely none here today. There are some blue plates, as you can see back there, which means they're just government officials, government workers, but they're not the big shots. They're not the ministers. And you see them, you'll see this place on TV, you'll see it on all the news channels when they are in session having meetings and discussions and all of that. You can't go in, but let's see if we can go up the stairs here and get a little view of. Looks like they have all the government ministers' pictures up there. Let's see if we can get up without getting in trouble. Here we go. It's quite a lot of steps, man. These ministers must be fit. Whew, it's hot. Look at that. These okay, so this side, oh, see, they're all former presidents of the Senate in Belize, and this is the current one, Honorable Carolyn Trench Sanford. And then that means on this side they are past speakers of the House of Representatives. See, these were all past members who were speakers of the House, and this is our current one, Honorable Valerie Woods. That's amazing. I thought they had pictures of the ministers also, but looks like not. But wow, what a place to be. Maybe one day when I'm Prime Minister, I'll be here too. Look at that view from up here. It is beautiful. Alright, let's get back down, because I'm not really sure if we're allowed to be up here or not, because it is a government building, right? I don't know if they'd frown on me filming here, but hey, we did it. We got it done. And then there's more buildings all over. They're all official government buildings all around the place. And for those of you who don't know, we are in Belmopan city. It is the capital of Belize. It hasn't always been the capital of Belize, but a while back, I don't know exactly when. I'll put the date down below, I'll look it up. But before that time, the capital of Belize was Belize City. But the problem with that is that Belize City is on the coast. So every few years Belize would get a bad hurricane. We get hurricanes every year, right? But every now and then you get a really bad one, and it would do damage to the government buildings. Sometimes it would destroy the government building completely. and they'd have to do repairs, they'd have to rebuild, and after a while the current government that was in power at the time, in charge of the country, they got tired of it, so they said let's move more inland. And that's when they chose Belmopan to be the new capital of Belize. That was a quick little history lesson for you all. We're going to continue exploring Belmopan. I'll probably cut this video here and continue in another video. Maybe not, I don't know, we'll see. When I'm editing, we'll see what it's like. It's super hot. Like I said, we're inland, we're not near the coast, so it's a lot hotter in here than it is back in Corozal. We got a nice cool breeze of the sea, Caribbean Sea. Out here we don't. So I'll keep on walking by, exploring. We got some time to kill. Let's see what we find. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and if you made it this far, hit that subscribe button up on top if you haven't yet. Show me some support. At the moment of filming this, I'm 1 subscriber away from 400. To me, that's a big thing, so let's hope we get there. See ya.